is Osaka.
Later. The next day.
Actually, I just had a Starbucks, so I'm thinking I'll get these instead. I got the candied strawberries. For this one, so far I got 2 of this and one, so I'm hoping that I get this last time, and if not, then it's over. So let's shoot my shot. Oh shoot! I'm not gonna fall for it. Heading over to the LibertyWalk location in Osaka. So here it is. it's gonna fit. They were supposed to have like capybaras there, but they didn't today. They have it tomorrow at 12 o'clock, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to make it because I have to catch the flight at like 2 o'clock. It's kind of like a rush. I'm gonna go downstairs and try to find some stuff to eat. I'm not about to spend like hundreds of bucks on food anymore. How you make the green tea is really simple. This is hot water right here, and then we just add matcha into our cup. Hope that's enough. And then we just push. Alright. And that's it. That's how we make matcha tea, I guess. Good morning, Osaka. It's our last day here today, and we are gonna wait till 11 a.m. to go downstairs and get some food, and then we're gonna check out and gonna take off. So I still have some coins left, a Starbucks card, and 2,000 in. So I think I'm gonna spend them like right now because I don't wanna like. This is like $6, I believe.
A few moments later.